Hello everyone. Heartiest welcome to SEA Saraswati English Academy. And this is our class 7th subject Maths, chapter 2nd and exercise number 2.2, video 2nd. Okay. Today I will teach you about what the next question of our exercise number 2.2 है ना, which is question number 3rd. Up to question number 2nd I have taught you in your our last video. Okay, and our question number 3rd is multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply, number 3rd one is multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Form and convert into a mixed fraction. Convert into a mixed fraction. Okay, so our question number first is what? Question number first is part first of exercise of question number 3rd is 7 multiplied with 3 upon 5. Second one is what? Second one is 4 multiplied with 1 upon 3. Third one is what? Third one is 2 multiplied with 6 upon 7. And our fourth one is what? Fourth one is 5 multiplied with 2 upon 9. Fifth one is 2 upon 3 multiplied with 4. Sixth one is 5 upon 2 multiplied with 6. Okay, sixth one is 5 upon 2 multiplied with 6. Seventh one is 11 multiplied with 4 upon 7. 11 multiplied with 4 upon 7. Seventh one was 11 multiplied with 4 upon 7, and eighth one is 20 multiplied with 4 upon 5. Ninth one is what? Ninth one is 13 multiplied with 1 upon 3. Tenth is what? Tenth is 15 multiplied with 3 upon 5. Okay, so now let's start with our part first, which is 7 multiplied with 3 upon 5. Multiplied and reduced to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Okay, so let's multiply. Actually, whenever we will multiply, then the number coming in numerators are multiplied and the numbers coming in denominators are multiplied. In case a number is a whole number which don't have a denominator, then we have to take 1 as its denominator. Okay, 7 3s are 21 divided by 5 banja 5. Now we have to convert it in a mixed fraction. So what we'll do is we will divide 21 by 5. Then what we'll get is 5 4s are 20, subtracted, this is our 1. Hence our answer is 1 whole. The number coming in our quotient should be taken as whole number, and the number coming in our remaining part which we have to divide now will come in numerator, and the number was in denominator will now also come in denominator only. Okay, so this is 4 whole 1 upon 5. Now for this one, this is 4 1 ja 4 and this is 3 1 ja 3, 4 upon 3. Now we will divide our 4 by 3, then this is 3 1 ja 3, this is 1. Now this is equals to 1 whole 1 upon 3. I hope you all got it. We have divided 4 by 3, and then we are seeing 4. In 4 we have to count table of 3 one time, 3 1 ja 3, and when we will subtract 3 from 4 we will get 1. So here the quotient will come over here, which is as a whole number. So 1 whole 1 upon 3 is our mixed fraction. Okay, now this one will also be like this. 6 2s are 12 upon 7 1 ja 7, and when we will divide our 12 by our 7, then we will get is 7 1 ja 7. Now this is our 5. Okay, hence this is equals to 1 whole 5 upon 7, 1 whole 5 upon 7. This is 1 whole 5 upon 7. Okay, now our next one is our part 4th, which is 5 2s are 10 upon 9 1s are 9. Okay, when we will divide our 10 by our 9, then what we will get is 9 1 ja 9, this is 1, this is 1 whole, this is 1 whole 1 upon 9, 1 whole 1 upon 9. Okay, our next fraction is what? 4 2s are 8 upon 3, then we will divide our 8 by 3, then what we will get is 3 2s are 6, and on subtracting we will get 2. Here this is our whole number, which is 2. 2 whole 2 upon 3 is our answer. 2 whole 2 upon 3 is our answer. I hope you all got it. Next one is what? This is 1. 5 6 are 30 divided by 2 1s are 2. Okay, now in this case here we are seeing mixed fraction will not be there, because here we are seeing that our 30 is divisible by 2, and how I have just understood that 30 is divisible by 2 is very simple. Actually, when a number comes with 0 2 4 6 8 as its unit place digit, then the number is surely divisible by 2. Okay, so we will divide 30 by 2, like 2 1s are 2. Now we are remained with a 1, so this is 10, 2 5s are 10. Now our answer is 15. Okay, which is purely a whole number. Okay, so next one is 7th one. In our 7th one, 11 4 ja 44 divided by 7. So what we will get now is 7, and this is 44. 7, now we will count a table of 7 and 44. 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. This is our 42. Now we will get 2. So here what we will get is 6 whole 2 upon 7. What we will get is 6 whole 2 upon 7. Okay, now next one is this 8th. In 8th, here we are seeing this is clearly divisible by, so why we should multiply then divide? We should divide in our first step only. We will not go for the next step. Okay, so 5 4 ja 50 and 4 4 ja 16, or 16 is our answer. Okay, next one is 13 whole, this is 13 into 1 is 13, 3 into 1 is 3. So when we will divide by our 13 by 3, then we will get is 3 is divided by 13. 3 4 जा 12. Now we will get a 1. So here 4 whole 1 by 3 is our answer. 4 whole 1 by 3 is our answer. Okay. Now what we will get is 15 3 is a 5 3 is a 15 3 3 is a 9. 9 is our answer. Okay. These 10 sums I have solved. I will go for our question number 4th after rubbing this and freeing up some space. Our question number next is question number 4th. In our question number 4th, what we will do is shade. In our question number 4th, shade number first is half of the circle in box A. Half of the circle in box A. Half of the circle. Okay. Our question number 4th is shade half of the circles in box A. Half of the circles in box A. Half of the circles in box A. Okay. Second one is what? Our second one is 2/3 of the triangles in box B. 2/3 of the triangles. 2/3 of the triangles in box B. In box B. And third part is what? 3/5 of the squares in box C. 3/5 of the squares in part C. 3/5 of the squares in part C. in box C, in box C. Okay, so our box is what? Our box is this one. Okay, I hope it is clearly visible to you. These circles are there: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and this one is our next box, which is this was our box A, this is box B, and that's box C. Okay, triangles are there. This is our first triangle, this is second triangle, this is our third triangle, fourth one is this, fifth one is this, and this is sixth one, seventh one is this, this is eighth one, and this is ninth. Okay, now next one is what? Next one is this 3, 5. 5 boxes are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, fifth, 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 3 times. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this was our question number 4th, and I'm just going to solve it now. Okay, so in our question number 4th, part A is what? Part A is one half of the half of the circles in box A. We have to shade half of the circles in box A. How many circles are there? There are 9 circles, and if we will see what is the exact half of our 9 is 9/2, and 9/2 is not a whole number, so we will divide it. What we'll get is when we will divide our 9 by 2, then what we'll get is 9 divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8, and this is 1. Okay, now what we'll get is 4 whole 1 by 2 is our answer. 4 whole 1 by 2 is our answer. Okay, 4 whole 1 by 2 is our answer. So now what we'll get is 4 circles. We will shade 4 circles. This is our circle number 1st. This was our circle number 2nd. This is our circle number 3rd. This is our circle number 4th. And this is our circle number 5th, and we don't have to shade it fully, we will shade it partially up to this level only. Okay, so here we are seeing this is our 4.5 circles shaded. Okay, this is our first part of the question. Now second one is 2/3 of the triangles in box B. This is box B and 2/3. How many triangles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 triangles are there, and we have to shade 2/3. We will multiply R9 by 2/3. 3 multiplied with 3 divided by 9, 9 divided by 3 is 3 3 is 9. This is 3 3 2 is 6. We have to shade 6 circles. Actually we are told to shade 6 circles in indirectly, in a indirect way. Okay, so these are triangles, not circles, so we have to shade 6 triangles. Okay, first triangle is this one and shaded. This triangle is second, and here it is also shaded. Okay, this triangle is third, here it is also shaded. This triangle is fourth, here it is also shaded. Now this triangle is fifth, here it is also shaded. And this is our last and foremost triangle. Okay, I hope you all got it. Next one is 3/5 of the squares in box C. How many squares are there? 5 in one row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 are there, and we have to shade. What number we have to shade? We have to shade 3/5. So 3/5 of 15 is what? 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. We have to shade 9 squares. Okay, 5 and 4, 5 and 4. Okay, so we have to shade 5 in one row. This one is our first, this is second and shaded, this is third and shaded, this is fourth and shaded, this is fifth and shaded, this is sixth and shaded, this is seventh and shaded, this is eighth and shaded, and this is finally ninth and shaded. Okay, so this is our completely, and this is our question number 4th completed. Now we will go for our question number 5th. Our question number 5th is what? In this gap, I am just going to complete our question number 5th. Question number 5th is find. Question number 5th is find Part A is what? Half of first one is 24, second one is 46. Okay, this was our first. Number B is fifth. B is 2/3 of number first is 18, second one is 27. Okay, part C is what? Part C is 3/4 of first one is 16, second one is 36. And D is what? D is 4/5 of first one is 20 and our second one is 35. Okay, so find half of 24, 46. Okay, half of 24, 46. So half of, when we will replace our of, then we have to put a multiplication sign. Okay, so we will get is what? 1/2, half of 1/2 of 24. This is our 12. Okay, so our answer is 12. Next one is 46. Then in our part second, half of 46 is what? This is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and our answer is 23. Okay, and in our part B, our first portion is 2/3 of will be replaced by a multiplication sign and 18. When we will divide it by 3, then what we will get is 3 6s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. Our answer is 12. Okay, now our next part is part second, which is what? Which is 2/3 of 27. 3, when we will divide 27 by 3, we will get a 9. 9 2s are 18. Our answer is 18 now. Okay, next one is 3/4 of 16. When we will divide our 16 by 4, 4 4s are 16. 3 4s are 12. Okay, when we will divide 3/4 of 36, then what we will get? 9 4s are 36, 3 9s are 27. Our answer is 27. Okay, and our part D is what? We will go for our part D. Then what we will get is, 4/5 of 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16. Okay, now next one is 4/5 of 35. 5 7s are 35, 7 4s are 28. This is all I have to teach in this video. Now next questions will be taught in our next video. Okay, till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. And if any doubt is there, then you have to comment and subscribe channel Saraswati Bhadra June. And also if you have any doubt, then you have to, now this is our homework, this is your homework, that you have to do these all the sums on your rough notebook. Okay, yourself.